It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my iPhone 13 Pro Max case by MOSNOVO. You guys, I am new to this brand, but I will tell you I'm quickly falling in love with it because these cases are super cute. I got one in Confetti, and it's just got really nice girly details that you can totally see. And I love the protection on this case too, because where this logo is, it actually comes up just the ever so slightest, providing you that extra protection for your camera lenses. And all buttons are functional. These are covered, but the mute button stays open for access, as well as the power button. And of course, all of these are accessible for your speaker and your power connection. So let me go ahead and show you the case on. It's super easy to put on. You just mold it in there, snap it in, and you're ready to go. So here's the case on, and I have the white and silver iPhone, so you can really see those details nicely. You still see the silver or stainless steel on the sides of the phone. You guys, I absolutely love this case. That's my point of view.